how to download Canva photo editing application on your Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download Canva application on your device. So it's a quite simple process. Just head over to Play Store and just search in for Canva just like this. So once you search in for Canva, as you can see, I've already installed the application. Just click on the first link over here or first application over here. So it has over 500 million plus download. For your information, you can just click on install button over here and it will automatically download and install the application on your device. So once you are successfully installed, you can just open the application and just log in with your account, and you can also go to the pro version if you have available funds. So you can also get a 14-day free trial version of Canva official. So you can also use it to use different projects or make different designs. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.